Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to update your price in bulk on Walmart. How you set your prices can have a host of implications for your business. Not every price you set needs to maximize your margins. Many small businesses use price to compete, change market share, or create different revenue scenarios. You need to understand how pricing affects your business model, and this is the reason and why you need to be reasonable for it. The price you set makes you more or less competitive in the marketplace, affecting your share of the market's volume. Some businesses lower prices temporarily to gain market share from competitors who can't respond to and meet a price decrease. After consumers have had the time to try your product and develop a brand preference or loyalty, you can raise your prices again to a level that won't cause them to leave you. Whatever your reason may be, we'll walk you through on how to do a bulk price update on your Walmart Seller Center. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Access your Walmart store at seller.walmart.com. Just enter your email address and password, then click Login. Once you're in, click the Bulk Price Update section on the left side under Items and Inventory. We need to download the price and promo spec. To do that, click the Price and Promo Spec button. It should automatically download the file. Again, if you're using Google Chrome, you can just click the downloaded item at the bottom left to open the file. Unlike the other template, the price and promo spec uses macro, and this needs to be enabled. What you need to do is to click the Enable Editing button located on the top, then close the file and reopen it. Make sure that you don't modify the top 4 rows. There are 2 required fields, and this is what we'll be filling up. We will tackle the promotion on another tutorial. So fill out the SKU and the price fields. You can fill out as many rows as you like. Save the file. The Excel file will automatically run in the macro, and it will check any errors there is. If there are errors, then it will be indicated and you can fix it accordingly. If there is none, then you can just close the file. Go back to the Walmart Bulk Price Updates page and upload your file. You can either drag your file or you can click the Upload Spec button and choose the file. Please make sure to keep your file at 25 megabytes maximum. You can upload multiple Excel files as long as it won't exceed 25 MB. Just click the Submit button once the file is ready. Uploading process will automatically start and you can view them on the feed status. It may take a couple of minutes for it to reflect on Walmart.com depending on the number of items. So that's how you update your price in bulk on Walmart. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!